The following is a C++ program to print the odd numbers using a for loop. First, we will set up an int variable that is the number you want to stop printing out the odd numbers at, called stop. For the sake of this example, we will end at 420. Next, we will set up a proper for loop. For in I equals 1, I less than or equal to stop, I equals I plus 2. The I equals I plus 2 is doing most of the work here. It is ensuring that you are starting at an odd number, then hopping to the next odd number, and never having to touch an even number in between two odd numbers. Inside, we will just print out that each number is odd. For you C++ purists out there, we will also do this the idiomatic C++ way with cout. First, we will include IOStream up top. Then, we will comment out the printf and do standard : cout and insert the number we are printing out to cout, as well as inserting the string is odd, as well as inserting the endline character. Like and subscribe to learn more.